Hi, I'm Mrs. Dorset, your beauty consultant with CaribCultura Beauty, and it is officially Coquito season. If this is the first time that you visited mi isla, welcome. Bienvenido, bienvenido. You don't need a passport, just come on in, make yourselves at home. You can continue watching this video or you can check out any of the other videos, but just be sure the only prerequisite for your stay is to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can be made aware of every time we decide to post videos on our isla. CaribCultura Beauty is a celebration of the beauty of Caribbean culture. Carib is short for Caribbean. Cultura is the Spanish word for culture. So CaribCultura Beauty is the celebration of the beauty of Caribbean culture. So today we are going to be learning how to make the infamous drink called coquito. Coquito is Puerto Rican eggnog, okay? It is a beverage that we enjoy during the holidays. Today's video is going to be a little bit different because instead of doing beauty, we are going to be doing coquito, pero the vegan version, okay? And I know it's an abomination. I know a lot of people is like, ¿Qué? ¿Cómo que vegan? Okay, here's the deal. Milk just does not do my body good, okay? I don't know what happened, when did it transition. I just became lactose intolerant, like, after I had kids. I don't know what happened. But anyway, I enjoy coquito. But the major ingredients are evaporated milk, condensed milk, of course, coconut, my favorite ever. And then of course you have your rum or alcohol. It's an amazing drink. If you don't like coconut, this drink is not for you, okay? But because coquito is like, you have not lived until you have tried coquito. So in order for me to enjoy coquito, I had to create an alternative way using vegan options. And so I wanted to share that recipe with you. We are going to create vegan coquito today, and I'm going to show you the products that I use, and I'm also going to show you the method that I use, okay? So I hope you enjoy. If you also are lactose intolerant or you're trying to adopt more of a vegan lifestyle and you want to try out this fun recipe, it's super easy. Go ahead and follow along. All right, Tayo, let's go shopping. So I wanted to show you my favorite cream of coconut. I either use the Coco Lopez brand or the Coco Real brand. Anything else is trash, okay? These are the two brands I endorse. When it comes to liquor, obviously we are going to grab coconut rum. Well, the brand that we're going to utilize is Crucian rum, the best rum under the sun. I'm from the Virgin Islands, so of course I am going to grab the coconut rum from the brand Crucian. As you can see, Crucian has multiple tropical fruit flavors, but for this coquito recipe, we're utilizing the coconut rum. Now, you can use coconut rum in any brand. You can also use liquor of any kind. If you're from Puerto Rico, obviously you're going to grab the Bacardi, but for the base rum, you want to make sure that it is coconut rum. Now, we're going to get started with the substitutions. We're going to replace the Carnation evaporated milk with coconut milk. We are going to replace the Carnation condensed milk with sweetened condensed coconut milk. Yes, it exists. So when it comes to the recipe, let's review it. We have 2 cans of cream of coconut, 1 can of condensed milk, which obviously we talked about the substitution. 1.5 cup coconut milk, 1.5 cup almond milk. That's going to replace the evaporated milk. Or they also sell evaporated coconut milk in the market, but it's very hard to find. Then we're going to do your coconut rum. Now I have 1.5 cup here, but obviously you know it is up to you what you want to do. After you put in the coconut rum, you could put in any other kind of rum you want. Then we have the vanilla essence and then the cinnamon. Alright, so let's get started with our coquito. We're going to go in with the 2 cans of cream of coconut. Now remember, coquito stands for little coconut, so you're going to see a lot of coconut going on here, okay? The cream of coconut is going to give us the base to our drink. Next, we're going to go in with the condensed coconut milk. Now this is the ingredient that dictates how thick or thin
your recipe is. If you like it to be super sweet and thick, you're going to go in with 2 cans. If you want it to be smooth and thin and not as sweet, you're going with 1 can. Now, the almond milk, we're going to use Almond Breeze for this case. Now, granted, you can use your own homemade almond milk and your own homemade coconut milk, but if you want to save time, go in with some Almond Breeze and a kind of coconut milk. Okay, go ahead, add it in. Oh, slow it down there, slow it down. We are making a mess, but it's all good. All right, now here's the secret sauce. Our liquor, Bailey's almond. Okay, it's an almond liquor. It gives that smooth almondy flavor and liquor at the same time. As you know, we're going in with a Crucian rum. That is the base of our liquor, that coconut rum. And you can add any other liquor you want. We're going to go in with our spices, the almond essence, and the cinnamon as well. There are people that utilize nutmeg. You could use whatever you want when you do your recipe, okay? But this is pretty much it. To blend everything together, we're going with our stick blender. There are people that prefer to use a regular blender. You can put the ingredients in a regular blender. It's completely up to you. I just kind of like to freestyle it. Once you have everything nicely blended, you can go in with your funnel and fill up your bottle.
All right, so we have completed our coquito drink, okay, vegan. So let me know how you like this vegan version of coquito. Is it significantly different than you remember from the traditional version? I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you are able to make some vegan coquito yourself. As usual, I'm your beauty consultant. Well, today I'm your cuisine consultant. Now, it's so funny. I drink coquito, but like I do not drink alcohol. But coquito I will drink because it's not strong. I love coconut, and the coconut liquor that is there is just a tad bit. It's not too much where it's overpowering. Of course, when you create your coquito, you're gonna add the alcohol a tu gusto. Of course, you're gonna put in based on your tolerance or what you like. But I personally don't consume alcohol on a regular basis. So when I do it, it's just to kind of like spike it a little bit, just to make it like, but gosh, it's coquito season desde ahora hasta enero, okay? And you know, Christmas movies, Hallmark, and Netflix and chill and all that with a glass of coquito and a slice of coconut tart. That's it. I don't need nothing else. We good over here, baby. We good, okay? We good with our coquito and coconut tart. You pair a glass with coquito, a glass of coquito and a slice of coconut tart. Listen, this, if you've never tried them together, this, listen, if you made a glass of coquito, welcome to the family. You are part of the family. And if you love coconut, eres mi pana. Eres mi pana. Zambi muevi, okay? You my sparry. You my boy, you check? Anyway, I hope you enjoy your glass of vegan coquito. Don't drink too much now, because depending on how much alcohol you put in there, it could be a little too strong, or also it's very sweet. So, you know, around the holidays, you have coconut tart, coquito, you know, all the foods that you can even think of. How many people have put on weight already? We don't need no more weight. I'm going to do a video showing you how I make coconut tart as well, but the vegan version, okay? All right, talk to you later. Oh, as usual, I'm Mrs. Dorset with CaribCultura Beauty, and thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.